Galaxy Fold, and I'm about to go home to do this review. Setup. Then I decided to just do it on my table because I was like, why not do that? So just gonna review this here Galaxy Fold and show you guys the unboxing and obviously the drop test. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. I wanted to get the exclusive. This is one of the first Galaxy Folds in Miami. That's what they told me. And literally, there's only one store, if you can Google it right now, there's only one store that has any of them. This is the only one. So, I know that, alright, after breaking the seal, you get another box, and then inside of this box is another box. Super premium here. And then inside of this box, let's see. Well, there's the phone. We're gonna get to that in a second, of course. Woof. Gorgeous. This is the wall brick, as well as the charger, and then I don't even know what this is. Oh, it's quartz. Cool. But that's crazy they actually give you this. Actually, a cluster of warnings that you have to abide by on this phone. But I mean, it's a fold. I mean, how do you expect it to look? Oh, look at me in the reflection. I got the backside sexy silver color. Wow, I'm like glowing in it. You see me? Oh, clear as day. And it's super reflective, so definitely fingerprint magnet. But I use it close. I'll probably use it close a lot though, just for, you know, normal sake. Oh, AT&T branding, let's go. I'm gonna get it set up and then get you guys into it. It's got this cool little menu right here. Look at this, it's so cool. So I just put my SIM in. Let's see what we're working with. We got that Wi-Fi on deck, and I'm ready. Just verifying on my Google stuff. Look how many terms you gotta agree to, man. They got your heart and soul. Whether you're Apple, Google, Android, they're gonna have you. I love that it comes with a Google Assistant, and it's got this cool animation. Google services, of course. I love that they have this like promotional video to show you different apps and features you can do on your phone. Pretty dope. You really don't notice the crease unless you put it in like direct, like light. You have to really want to go for it. Otherwise, you really don't notice it. It's so weird. Like, almost in any axis, you won't see it. It's hard to explain in person, but you can feel it a little. It's so trippy to close the phone and see it's in like a candy bar shape. Like, this is such a weird effect. Wow. Yeah, I gotta admit, the cool part is to have that uninterrupted screen. Just even as the mini screen, it's so pristine. Actually, it's kind of dope.